Welcome to our TRIOS 3 wireless video series. While watching this video, you will learn how to get started with the TRIOS 3 wireless battery charger and batteries. Find a suitable location for the charger. The charger is designed so that it may be mounted on a wall or on a table. Once positioned, connect the charger to the mains power. When the charger is connected to power, you may insert the batteries. 3 batteries are delivered with the TRIOS 3 wireless scanner. You can order more batteries if required. The charger has 3 charging ports and can charge 3 batteries independently at the same time. The battery can only be inserted one way. Do not apply excessive force, as this may cause damage to the charger. When you insert a battery into the charger, the status light of that battery will light up yellow. This indicates that the charger is probing the battery prior to charging. The status light then changes to pulsing green, meaning that the battery is now charging. The batteries are delivered partially discharged due to shipping regulations, so be sure to charge all batteries before first use. The charging time for the battery is 3 to 6 hours, depending on the remaining power level of the battery. As the status light does not indicate how much the battery has been charged, you should leave it in the charger until the status light turns a steady green. We also advise keeping the batteries in the charger while not scanning. This way you will always have a set of fresh batteries. The status light will turn to a steady green when the battery is fully charged. Take one of the batteries out of the charger, press it, and the battery will pop out. Then insert it into the scanner. Make sure to rotate the battery correctly before inserting. No excessive force is required when inserting correctly. Attempting to insert incorrectly may cause permanent damage to the scanner. To take out the battery from the scanner, simply press the end of the battery while keeping the handle down and gently shake the scanner to cause the battery to pop out. Then grab the battery and pull it out. Remember to insert the battery back into the charger. Thank you for watching.